Hey guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna declutter 10 items of my collection. I just filmed 2 videos about my foundation collection. I had other 4 products that I was just collecting throughout the days. I just pick out things randomly and declutter them. And I'm gonna talk about actually 12 products. I just sent 2 palettes to a friend of mine to just give them to her. I prefer to do things when I'm feeling them, so that's why I'm filming this decluttering video in a rush, and it's not gonna be something specific or some specific category. It's just gonna be declutter as I go. So if you want to see the 12 products that I'm decluttering, then just keep on watching. So the first 2 things that I declutter and I sent to a client, she's a client and a friend, were 2 eyeshadow palettes. She loves makeup and she always asks me to buy stuff for her, either clothes or she buys makeup that I've used a little bit lightly. She's just a good client and she's an amazing person, and she's actually pregnant right now. So she ordered a few things from me, and when I was packing the stuff to send it to her, I just wanted to give her 2 palettes. I have too many eyeshadow palettes and I just got a few new ones, and those are palettes that I'm not using. I tried to sell them but I didn't. So those were the Stila in the Moment palette, which is a purple palette. I just used that palette twice and then I never used it again, and I know she will love it. She has big eyes and beautiful eyes, so she can just play with it, and she loves makeup. And then I had a Sami Cosmetics eyeshadow palette with green tones and warm tones. A beautiful everyday palette with a lot of browns but also green and duochrome eyeshadows. So I just put those 2 palettes to give to her. I just filmed my drugstore foundation collection or makeup that I'm starting with this Know by Year, and I decided to just give away to friends and family these 6 foundations. They're all drugstore. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. I haven't even used this once. This still has a sticker. This is the Revlon Color Stay makeup in the shade 330. Then I have here the Rimmel Lasting Finish foundation in the shade 200. And then I have here the CoverGirl Outlast All Day in the shade medium beige. This is gonna go to my mom. 2 are gonna go to one of my sisters-in-law, and this is gonna go to my other sister-in-law. So those are 4 foundations. And then I have these 2. This is the True Match in the shade C8, and then I have one in the shade N8. The N8 is gonna go to my nanny's daughter. She's already running low on the one that I gave her about 3 months ago, so she will use this one up. And then one of my sisters-in-law will definitely pick one of these up just to do contour on her face. I'm gonna ask which one of her wants it because I don't need it in my collection or my kits. I have already a lot of darker foundations that I use to contour, and if I just focus on too many, I don't finish any single one of them. So these I'm also gonna give away. This is basically my favorite formula that I'm giving away. I love the L'Oreal True Match and I love the color range that they have. It's just incredible. Then on the other hand, I already have one of these and it's already like halfway gone. It's the NARS Orgasm lip gloss and I love it, but I don't need to. I already have other lip glosses that I need to go through, so I just thought to give this to my sister-in-law Daniela. She will love it. My mom, she will love to use these 2 colors. These are lip liners. One is from Nabi. I got these on Amazon. And they're both red. My mom wears red every day. And the other one is from Avon. I know she will use them. She will use them and I truly won't. I just need one red liner and I have the Urban Decay one. So this is one that needs to go. And then my sister-in-law Daniela, she wants a lip moisturizer. I just got her a lot of skincare stuff. She gave me the money to purchase stuff that I would recommend for her skin. She has irritated, reddish, dry skin with oils, so it's a really hard skin to treat. It's sensitive, so I purchased a lot of things, but her budget ran out and I couldn't get her a hydrating lip product. So I'm gonna give her this lip butter from the Body Shop. This is the mango one and I know she will use it up. So those are basically the 12 products that I'm just removing from my collection. It feels good to declutter them, and it feels good to declutter them on the spot. If I don't do this, then I keep them, and I always put them back in my drawers. I think about it a ton and then I become regretful. If I give them away now, I won't even remember them. I will forget about them and I will just focus on the stuff that I have. So I really needed to do this, and these are gonna be the 12 products for this declutter. If you guys like this type of declutters, which are honest and quick, then just let me know, because I know it won't be realistic for me to do a category declutter and declutter like 20 things, because there's no way I'm gonna do that. This is gonna go to family, so I don't mind, but I'm not gonna just give away a ton of stuff for people that I know won't use it, because if I had a lot of friends that used makeup and loved it, that would be an entirely different thing. But I know they won't use them. It will go bad in other people's drawers, and I spend my money on it and I don't get PR or stuff sent for free. Like 1% of my collection I've gotten from PR, and I don't think not even 1% of my collection I've gotten as PR. So yeah, I'm gonna just give these, and I already have the owners for each thing, and it makes me happy to just be able to reduce the stuff that I have, not for a lot, but reduce it anyhow, and just get to enjoy the other stuff that I have. If I collect other 10 items, I will film another of these quick decluttering videos, and I will let you know the reasons behind it. That's it, you guys. For this declutter, just put a little gift box. These are all gifts for my family from my collection, and I know they will enjoy it, and I know they will finish them completely and they will come back asking for more. So if you love these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.